Hello students, today I'm going to teach you about MS Excel chapter 14. In MS Excel, how we can enter a result, how we can maintain a result sheet of a student. So to go practically, let me click the start button, start. Then here in the search toolbox, ask me anything. You can type out here Excel like this. So as you type out Excel, in the pop-up it pops up here Excel 2016. So Excel 2016, the version is installed in my system. So I'm opening this Excel. Now as it opens the Excel, the screen appears like this. Now you have to click the blank worksheet. You can see here a blank worksheet. Just click the blank worksheet, and the workbook, our Excel workbook, it appears like this. Now it is ready for us to enter the data to work on the Excel workbook. Now before we work here, I'll let you understand, I'll explain here a little bit. This A, B, C, D, E, F, as you can see, these are the columns. Okay, these are the columns. And on the left hand side, as you can see here, 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? On the left hand side, these are the rows. Okay, let me zoom the screen. Let me just zoom it. Okay, now you see ABC, these are columns, and this 1 2 3 4 5, these are rows. Now to work on the Excel workbook here, your active cell, this one is your active cell, a rectangular in shape is your active cell. Your active cell is in A1. Okay, A1. Now if I move the cursor key, the arrow key left hand side, you see your cell moves, your cell pointer, you can call it this one, cell pointer. Your cell pointer moves. Now if I keep this cell pointer here, now this is the reference of C. Now you see C3. Okay, C3. Now if I keep it here, it's B3. Okay, so likewise, if I keep the cell pointer here on the screen here, so this is the cell reference of G of column of 9. Okay, G and column of 9. So like this, we have to make out where our active cell is. Now to begin with the student's result, to enter the student's result, you can find in your textbook page number 174. You can just refer your textbook, open your textbook page number 174. You will understand more in details. So let me explain here how to work practically here. I'm keeping the cell pointer, the address of B3. I'm starting from B3. Okay, you can keep it anywhere and then you can start. So B3, I'm typing out here serial number. Okay, then name of student. Okay, name of student, and then the marks, maths. And to go to the next cell, you can press the cursor key, the arrow key from the keyboard. Okay, maths, then science and SS, then your English, then your second language. Okay, and your sixth subject. This is your sixth subject, and this is your total. Now after entering this column, see the name of student, we cannot see here name of student. Now to increase this column width, you just need to point it like this on the C and D. Between the C and D, you need to point it like this, and as you point it, the plus sign appears. See, a black plus sign appears. So just double click this one. Now your cell, the width of the cell is column white. The cell of column white is increased. Okay, now let's enter the data. Okay, serial number 1. Okay, let's enter the name. Okay, Aaron. Then maths. Okay, 50. Science 55. SS 56. English 70. Second language, say example 65, and 6 subject, say example 40, and total we'll just keep it blank. I'll explain you later on. Now student 2. Okay, serial number 2, student. Next student. Okay, Cinti. Okay, say Cinti. Maths 45, science say 60, SS say 55, English say 40, and second language say 45, and 6 subject say 49. Okay, now the next student. Okay, next student 65, maths 65, and 60, and another 60 again. Okay, 55 and 45, and another 60 again. Okay, now next student again. Okay, maths 45. Okay, 60. Okay, let's give here 65. Okay, 45 and 43. Okay, 48 and 50. Okay, next student here. Next student. Okay, 58. Okay, 59, 54. Okay, 65, 60, and 70. 6 subjects, 70. Okay, next student again. Next student. Okay, 60. Okay, 65, 62, 67, and 59, and 65. Okay, next student again. One more student again. Okay, one more student. Okay, maths. Okay, 70. Okay, 70, 75. Okay, then here comes 60. Okay, and 65. Okay, again 70, and then here 69. Okay, next student again 8. Okay, grades. Okay, next student, maths. Okay, maths is 70, no, not 70. Okay, say 59. Okay, 55. Okay, 45. Okay, 60, 45, 40, 58. Okay, one more student again. Bend down. Okay, next student is 49. Okay, 49, 48, 45, 60, 68, then 6 subject is 70. Okay, last student. Okay, 10. Last student. Now say example Kiran. Okay, 68. Okay, 69, 70. Okay, 75. Okay, then 68, then 55. Okay, 10 students. Okay, we have entered the results, the marks of 10 students. Now we are going to do a calculate the total. Okay, let's keep the cell address cell in the total. Okay, the cell in the total. Now always remember that in Excel, to find to enter the formula, okay, to enter the formula, we have to enter the formula to get the total. So in every formula, the formula begins with equal to sign. Okay, equal to sign in every formula, in every function. So as you enter this form equal to sign, you will see the equal to sign in the formula bar. This is your formula bar. Okay, this is your formula bar. Now equal to, okay, from 50 of Aaron, serial number 1, name of student is Aaron, and maths is 50. So from 50, the first marks, here we are going to find the total. So this, click the cell, click the cell of this 50. This cell is highlighting, see, highlighted. Now after that, click plus sign. Now click the next cell again like this, plus sign. Click the next cell like this again, plus sign. Click the next cell, plus sign. Click next cell, plus sign. Click next cell, and all the cells are highlighted. See, all the cells are highlighted. Now the formula is entered. See, you can see the formula here. See, equal to d4 plus e4, okay, e4 plus f4 plus g4 plus h4 plus I4 is the cell reference. This is the cell reference. Okay, this is the cell reference to get the total. All these cells are highlighted. Now after this, you just need to press enter key. See, as you press enter key, the total appears. The total appears automatically, immediately the total appears. Now for the next to get the total, we don't need to enter the formula here. What you need to do is just click this cell and then just point it like this. Okay, just point it like this. A black plus sign appears on at the corner of this cell. See, plus sign appears. Just click the mouse and then drag it down. Okay, clicking the mouse and dragging down. Don't release the mouse. Okay, keep on pressing. You need to keep pressing your mouse button. Don't release it. And after that, after dragging it, now you release the mouse. Release the mouse, all the total gets automatically. Now this is your total. Very quickly and accurately, all the totals are displayed here. Now this is how we can enter, or we can maintain a mark sheet. We can keep a record of a mark sheet in this Excel worksheet here. Now say example, in the math subject of Aaron, here it is 50. Now in case if the marks needs to be updated, if the marks need to be changed, say example from 50, by mistake it was entered 50. Now actually the mark is 55. So if I put the 55, if I enter 55 marks here, and you see the total, or just remember the total of this one, 336. Now after entering the total, after entering this marks 55, now you just observe this total. Okay, 336 will change automatically. See, it changed automatically. Because why this total is changed automatically? Because we have changed the marks in maths. That is why it is changed automatically, because we have already entered the formula. Okay, once the formula is entered, now second time no need to enter the formula. Automatically the formula, whatever the result it is, automatically it will display on the result sheet, on the total. Whatever we make correction or interchanges, update any changes in the main sheet, in the main data, the total will affect automatically. Now say example, if I need to change this one, say example of 62, say 62 of Asin in the SS 62, and you just observe this total also. See, 378. Okay, 378, you just observe this total. Okay, if the mark instead of this 62, if the mark is, say example 70, if I have to update the mark 70, now you see the total, automatically the total is changes, right? So this is how the effective, the goodness of worksheet is like this. There is no error, okay, error free. There is no question of error. If the total is, if the I mean if the formulas are entered correctly, then whatever we make changes, it automatically appears in the total. So this is how we can make a record, result sheet in the Excel workbook. So in my next video, again, I will format here how we can find out, say example here, average, say example percentage, that is percentage, okay, percentage marks, and then the maximum marks of the maximum marks and minimum marks of the subject. All these formulas I'll explain in my next video. Not only that, how we can format this one. After formatting, this means this data, after this worksheet data, how we can convert this worksheet data to a chart. This one also I'll explain in my next video. So after this, we need to save it. So how to save this one? Always remember that when we are working in Excel workbook, the Excel workbook appears in this one, book 1. It is by default. The Excel workbook appears default book 1. So we need to save it. Okay, so we need to save it, this one. And then you remember this one also, sheet 1. We are working in sheet 1. Say example, if you are going to enter a different if you have to work with a different file or workbook, then you can click this plus sign. See, a new sheet is appeared. Click this plus sign, and sheet 2. See, sheet 2 appears. Now click plus sign, sheet 3, sheet 4, sheet 5. Like this it will appear. As much as you want, you can click this plus sign and all this sheet will appear, and these are all blank. See, these are all blank because we have not done anything. So you can work on this workbook. So what we have done is in the sheet 1. We have done in the sheet 1. See, so in my next video I will work in the next, this sheet 2, sheet 3, how we can work in the next video. Okay, so now how to save the file. Okay, to save the file, as I said, but by default the Excel worksheet appears book 1. So we need to save the file. So file, and then go to the save as, and this screen appears like this, and browse, click it, browse, and where you have to save it. Say example, we are going to save it in desktop. Okay, desktop, we will just save it in desktop, and here we will write class 9 Excel chapter 14. We will just write like this, class 9 Excel chapter 14, and save it. So this is how your, see, the book 1 is changed. See, now here the book 1, Excel book 1 is changed, and your file name is class 9 Excel chapter 14 appears. So this is how we can save the file, and we can create the sheet this one, 1 2 3 4 5, and how we can work on this percentage, how to get the percentage by using formulas. Okay, that is by using formulas, and how to find the maximum marks of this student Aaron, how to find the minimum marks of Aaron. All this one we need to enter the formulas. So in my next video I will explain. I'll go with this in my next video. So thank you as of now. Thank you for watching the video. Okay, good day, and be safe.